If your Capital One account has been restricted, you may need to appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any communication from Capital One about the restriction, and any documentation that supports your case. Step 2. Review Capital One's policies. Familiarize yourself with Capital One's terms of service and policies regarding account restrictions. Understanding the rules can help you frame your appeal more effectively. Step 3. Contact customer service. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If necessary, submit a formal appeal through Capital One's designated channels. Include all gathered information, a clear explanation of your situation, and any supporting documents that may help your case. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email and account for any updates. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, follow up with customer service to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction and work towards resolving the issue with Capital One. Good luck!